So I just want to quickly show you our new AI-powered chatbot. It's powered by ChatGPT. So if you come to Synergen.net, this is a sample implementation. It's actually live and running, but this can be plugged into your website regardless of what sort of business you are. So I just click send, type message, say, hi there. I need some software implemented quickly. Turn says, I can help with that. Could you please provide me with your name and either your phone number or email address? Additionally, could you share some details about the software you need implemented? This will help us understand your requirements better. Since you mentioned it quickly, I'll make sure to prioritize your request. Yeah, so I say, great, thanks. I need an AI. Okay, I made some spelling mistakes, but that's fine. Chatbot implemented into my website by tomorrow. It said implementing AI chatbot by tomorrow is definitely urgent. To proceed, could you please provide your name and either your phone number, email address? This will ensure we reach you quickly. Okay, yeah, sure. My name is Tessa the Magnificent. My email address is Tessa the Great, the Great at gmail.com. My number is 0411111111. Thank you, Tessa the Magnificent. I acknowledge the urgency of your request for an AI chatbot implementation by tomorrow. Our team will prioritize this and get in touch with you shortly to discuss the details and ensure everything is set up as needed. If you have any specific features or requirements, feel free to share those as well. So I just say, no, that's fine for now. I just need someone to contact me ASAP. Understood. Our team will reach out to you as soon as possible at your provided email or phone number to discuss the AI chatbot implementation. Thank you for your patience, and we'll ensure this is handled quickly. If you need anything else in the meantime, feel free to ask. Chat has ended. Boom. There you go. And I have received a text message on my phone advising me, I'll tell you exactly what it says right now, and it says, find it, there it is, right, urgent client request, urgent message detected, name Tessa the Magnificent, phone 04111111, email Tessa the Great, full email, full details and email sent to my email address, and there will be an email in my email address attached, my business email, admin@synergen.net, which will say, which will have the full details of this conversation. So you can go through, and if there's any specific information that's been included in that conversation, it'll be there in your email. So if you think this is something that could be useful to you to not miss out on potential valuable sales, get in touch. This can be plugged into your existing website without any disturbance whatsoever. Takes basically 5 minutes to plug it in, another 5 minutes or 10 minutes to get you set up in the back end, get all your rules, your information, your documents standard operating procedures, all this sort of stuff need to be provided, all the information that it needs to understand what your business is, what it does, how it works, who needs to be contacted, under which circumstances, and so on. So if you think that's something that would be of value to your business to increase your productivity, increase your sales, increase your income, increase your customer retention, get in contact. admin@synergen.net, or you can just use this chatbot to send me a message and it'll text me. No worries. Bye for now.